This video tutorial explains the input functions of the CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5IV WR, BM5IV, and BM7II DS models. To access the input settings, tap the screen to bring up the screen menu. Then click Monitor Settings and select Input. Click on Signal Input to choose the corresponding input signal based on whether you're using an HDMI or SDI cable. Enable log input to match the camera, curve, and range correctly. Only when the log used on the monitor matches the log in the camera can the correct information be displayed. You can also configure image settings via the shortcut panel. Click on the screen to bring up the menu. Click Add. Then select Monitoring and click Input to quickly switch the input signal and enable this function. That's the full introduction to the input functions on CINENORM series monitors.